Greetings and welcome. In a previous video sessions of subject fluid mechanics, under the module properties of the fluid, we have discussed about the various fluid properties such as mass density, weight density, specific volume, specific gravity, and absolute and kinematic viscosity. In this video session, we are going to discuss about the important property of a liquid that is called as surface tension. Let us see some real life examples. These are some natural occurrences which we observe in our day-to-day life. Soap bubbles, bubble formation with the soap water. Normally children are playing with the toys forming the soap bubbles. Then we see in the nature the water which is present in the nature. There we see insects are walking on a water. Also here in a glass of water we observe needle floating on water. So these are some occurrences which are because of the phenomenon of the fluid property, that is what surface tension. So walking of insects on a water or formation of soap bubble or floating of a pin on a water, it becomes possible because of the surface of the liquid. It acts like a stretched membrane. So that is why the property of a liquid surface to act like a stretched elastic sheet is known as surface tension, and it allows liquid to resist external force. Also it minimizes its surface area, which is helpful in various industrial applications. With the help of this image we can have more understanding about the surface tension. Here we see water is placed in a flask. This is the interface above which air is present and below which water is present. This water is composed of number of molecules. So here one more diagram. This is a single droplet of water which is placed on the horizontal surface. It is composed of number of molecules. So here these molecules are held together because of the cohesion, and cohesion is a force of attraction among the molecules of same substance. So that is why cohesion is a force that holds molecules of the same substance together. Our surface tension occurs because of cohesive forces between the liquid molecules. For further more clarification of the surface tension, let us have this image. In this image we see this is a liquid. These are the molecules which are present inside and some molecules which are present at the interface. Above this there is a air. So all these molecules, neighboring molecules, pull molecules equally in all directions within a liquid because these are subjected with cohesive force. At the surface molecules are drawn sideways and inward since there are no molecules above them. So the top surface which is getting contracted as a result of net inward force created by these molecules. So because of this top surface which acts as a elastic membrane or stretched sheet. Thus we find in the example here we see this is a mercury drop. It is rolling down in the form of sphere while it is spread on the horizontal surface. because surface tension value of the mercury is very high. Mathematically, surface tension is expressed. Definition of surface tension is what? Force per unit length. Surface tension is indicated by a Greek symbol sigma, which is a ratio of a force to length, where F is a force acting along the surface of the liquid and L is a length over which the force acts. Thus, unit of surface tension will be what? Unit of force is Newton, unit of length is meter. Thus, unit of surface tension will be what? Newton per meter. In case of calculation of surface tension force, this formula can be arranged and used, that is F is equal to sigma into L. So in this video session, we have discussed about the property of the fluid as a surface tension with the help of some natural occurrences. Also, we have seen the mathematical treatment for the surface tension. Let us meet in the next video session. Thank you.